our fully automatic custom hand manufacturing machines. It is manufactured by a fully automated production process. It uses the most advanced technology, so our hangers are more efficient and precise in the production process. Our hangers are also very resistant to deformation and strong. The hand machine from Hebei Marine Machinery not only has high production efficiency, fast speed, but also has strong flexibility to bring greater benefits to customers. Of course, our machines can be customized according to the needs of customers to meet different needs and specifications. Unique straightening machine and cutting knife can make each hand more perfect. We support all kinds of customization. At present, we see the welding hand machine. It's a typical custom product. We have different kinds of welding hand machines. They target different diameters, different materials, different sizes of hangers, and the welding hand machine is relatively strong. In addition, the lowest price is the clothes rack made of black wire. Galvanized wire hand machine is the best we sell. Both beautiful and smooth hand machine. Who does not love? Now you are watching the debugging process of the PVC wire hand machine. Is it a strange shape? We support various hanger shapes customization. Hebei Marine Wire Mesh Products Co., Ltd. We have been in business for more than 20 years and are a trusted old brand. The machines we sell are of fine detail and high quality and have served customers all over the world. If you want to consult, please contact me.